This is my new base. Pretty awesome. Got some banners. Oh yeah. Still barely have any items. But I can deal with it. At least I got my precious. We got some. We're gonna be making an iron farm. All we need is just a little bit of iron. What are you doing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so as you can see, I kind of dug a hole straight down and found this.
For what purpose? This is my iron.
My fault, gang. I just went outside your old base and started digging down.
I'm still mad at you for doing all this. But, I mean, if you give me some of your resources, I'll forgive you. A done deal.
Oh,
You saw that, right?
yeah, I don't. Yeah.
I'ma just go take a peek on where this scuba came from.
It doesn't matter. Screw it.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I'm not even gonna. It's no.
I was mining for my friend anyway. It doesn't matter. Shit.
Do you know how to use an elytra, dumbass?
Yes, I do.
Clearly. Yeah, I bet you can't do this. Did it first try, buddy. Yeah. You want to see my base? Quite the living room. Not much stuff in these chests, though. We got my furnace.
It's very furnacey.
Do you like my furnace?
Mm-hmm.
His name is Jeremy.
So you got Jeremy, Furnace 2, Furnace 3, and Furnace 4.
Yeah, just about. I only like Jeremy, though.
Okay.
Anyways. You know what? I guess as a truce, me and you should go mining together. What?
Yeah.
Was this always here?
I don't think it was.
I didn't make it.
Well, I thought you did once I saw it.
So somebody else
Yeah,
is
so
living here.
somebody's clearly on here.
Obviously.
Holy shit.
So if I'm just gonna
no,
oof. I'm just borrowing. I'm just borrowing.
Yeah, I'll eventually return it within the span of like 10 years.
In return, this person will have a gas tier. Yeah, that's a fair trade. Anyways. Oh, who's this?
What the hell are you guys doing in my base?
We were just looking around.
Okay. Oh, fuck no.
Run, run! Go to your house. Go to your house. Okay, I think we're good.
You're getting. Yo, come up here.
Do you have any extra rockets?
Not stack. So what the hell was that?
Do you know him?
I mean, I know I was mine for my friend.
You guys have 1 second to explain right now.
Hey, so what's the hats? What's the? I'm just gonna stop talking. He did it.
Did you get the stuff that I asked you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, so you do know each other?
No.
You little liar.
No.
Okay.
You're hearing things.
I can hear you whispering!
That's my friend.
Is he usually all like that? You know, one question, is he all mentally there?
I think.
You better do something about it.
Okay. Yeah. There's no.
It's all about precision. Shut up.
I see synthesis.
Who the fuck was that?
It's my friend.
Why did you lie to me?
I said I was spying for my friend.
So you have connections that I don't know of now?
I mean, he just joined today.
Just joined today and he has full netherite armor. Yeah, sure, buddy.
No, he said he was gonna go mining and came back with all that. I'm being dead honest. His chest did not look like that about 2 hours ago.
Hey, yo, you got any food?
You're gonna do something about this, okay?
What?
Well, there's
Okay.
my netherite.
Did you put it in my chest?
Dumbass.
You don't have your elytra. You don't. You
Fuck.
have your elytra, by the way.
I realized. Where's home? Where's home? That way. Yay.
Here's your shit back.
Good looks.
Yo.
Well, shit.
Oh my god!
I just emptied out some junk, you know.
Yeah.
Yo,
Thanks for doing this.
we need to talk.
So which one of us?
You trying to get into?
All right. Yeah, you guys can talk. I'm out of this.
No,
See ya,
hold on.
bitch.
Before we fight, follow me. At least do it in a proper area.
I'm not trying to do this right now.
Oh, but we are gonna do this.
Alright. Hey, how are we doing this?
You make the first move.
Okay. He was right. You really are a bitch.
Really?
Hold up, hold up. I don't know.
Surprise attack!
You little motherfucker. You put up a good fight, you know.
What's wrong with you? Oh, what's he doing here?
Mm-mm.
Are you guys done fighting yet?
I don't know. You
Just
kinda
about.
interrupted it.
My
That
fucking
did
god.
like half a heart to me. That didn't even damage me.
But I guess. For now. So what do you want?
I think he's just here to be here. I don't even know. I don't even think he knows he's alive.
Well, that was... You are very weak. But
Says you.
nothing little improving can do. Anyway. I swear to God.
Oh my god. Home sweet home.
Why'd you want us here?
What?
Not killing me again.
I will fold you. The second.
Get in.
Get in now. And they ripped off the purple cloak.
So why'd you want us here?
Because I'm suspicious of you.
What's there to be suspicious about? Someone that shows up on this
It's just
suddenly better than you, having you?
you
You said I
have
just didn't grind this stuff.
no. Because what do you mean you have trimmed, enchanted netherite armor, head to
Maybe it's because I'm
toe?
better than you.
No, it's either he's lying because of you, you're getting him to lie, or it's just something that I can't figure out right now, which I will soon.
This is too much for my brain cell to handle. I'm out here.
You know what? Stop making your silly little game theories
It's
and
not it's
actually
not
do
game
something
theories, it's
with
the
your life.
truth. You're just hiding something.
If I were you, I'd stay distant.
I'm gonna kill that guy. Just wait. What am I gonna do though?
Yo,
Oh. What's up, bro?
what's up?
Damn, you're stacked.
Yeah,
Hey, listen, I have a proposition for you.
yeah.
You and me, we can be something big. We have the chance to be more than just players in the server. We have the chance to be gods. What do you say?
I like where this is going.
First off, you got any armor?
Yeah, I got a spare. Put that set on. Since you're new, I'll go get
Alright.
you some. Since you're new, I'll go get you some food and materials and blocks.
Alright, thank you. Dumbass.